Welcome to the banker lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by disconnecting the negative battery and moving quickly. This prevents short circuits while you work. Once done, turn the wheel away for easier wheel well access, then remove the inner fender clips or 10 mm bolts to expose the headlight. Make sure to have the correct replacement bulb or assembly on hand and a soft cloth to avoid fingerprints. As you pull back the liner, note wire routing and fastener locations so reassembly is straightforward. You now unplug the headlight connector and either undo 10 mm screws or depress retaining clips. This frees the assembly. Once freed, lift the assembly slightly and feed out the wiring harness so you can reach the bulb socket. Twist and remove the old bulb, handling only the base. Oil from fingers shortens bulb life. Insert the new bulb until it seats, or fit the replacement assembly into the bumper slots. Make sure gaskets are seated to keep moisture out before reconnecting wires. You finish by aligning and securing the headlight assembly, tightening screws and snapping the fender liner back into place. Once reassembled, reconnect the battery and test low and high beams, turn signals, and aim. If the beam is off, use adjustment screws to aim it per local specs. Make sure the car is on level ground when checking. If the light fails, inspect connector pins for corrosion, confirm a solid ground, and verify the replacement bulb or assembly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.